Hello. So for your maths today, we have got some speedy number sentences, okay? So in year one, it's really important that we learn lots of number sentences by heart, okay? So we learn to just remember them. We don't have to work them out. If somebody says to us, what's 5 add 5? We can just say straight away, it's 10. Okay, 5 add 5 is an easy one. I know most of you know that one already. But we really need to try and learn all the number bonds to 5, all the number bonds to 10, and all the doubles. Okay, so today you've got a mixture of 10 number sentences, okay, and I've written them out 3 times. So here's 10, and then I've written the same 10 number sentences again, and then the same 10 number sentences again. And what we want you to try and do is solve the number sentences as fast as you can. And then we want one of your grown-ups at home to time you to see how quickly you can solve them. Okay, so just going to time you doing 10 at a time. So in a minute, I'm going to set a timer and I'm going to talk through how I would solve these first 10 number sentences. Okay, so you can use the stopwatch on your phone, okay, or your grown-up's phone, of course, or if you haven't got a timer on your phone, then if you go on Google and just type online stopwatch, then one will appear on the screen and somebody can time you. Okay, so I'm going to just set my timer. Okay, so here we go, start at 0 and just press start and here I go. So I'm looking at these number sentences and straight away I can see 5 add 5. So I'm going to put that answer down because I know that one. Oh, and right next to it is 2 plus 2. And now, again, I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, now I'm going to go back over here and I can see 3 plus 3 is 6. So you can see I'm not solving them in order. I'm looking at all of the 10 number sentences and I'm working out which ones I know the answer to and writing those in first, okay? And I've just seen another double over here, 4 plus 4, and I know that 4 add 4 equals 8, okay? So now I'm going to go over to this one, 2 plus 1. It's not a double. 2 plus 1 more. Oh, that one's 3. Next to it here, I can see 6 add 4. It's a number bond to 10, so I know that answer is 10. And I'm having a look. 4 add 6. Well, I've just done 6 add 4. 4 add 6 is the switcher. So 4 add 6 must also be 10. Let's have a look over here. 2 plus 8. Oh, I'm not sure about this one. But if I switch it and make it 8 add 2, it'll be quicker to solve. 8, 9, 10. Oh, a number bond to 10. I wonder if you remembered that. Okay, so I've done these ones. Let's go over here. 1 plus 0. Well, that's easy, isn't it? Because if we add 0 to anything, it's going to be the same number. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. Cool. Okay, I've got one more left to solve. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. It's not a double. Again, like I did with 2 plus 8, I'm going to switch it so the biggest number is first and then add on the 3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, it's 10. Another number bond to 10. Hopefully you remembered that. You might be a bit better than me. Okay, so I've solved them all, so I'm going to press stop on my timer. So my time was 1 minute and 49 seconds. Okay, I wonder if you'll be able to beat my time. So I've solved them all now, but now I need to have another go. Okay, so I'm going to try and solve them again and try and beat my score, my time of 1 minute 49. In fact, I'm going to write on here 1 minute 49, just as a little reminder. Okay, 1 minute 49 seconds. So now it would be really easy if I kept the answers on there, wouldn't it? Okay, so if you want to use different pieces of paper to write out your 10 number sentences, so there's no cheating, you can. But I'm just going to get a piece of paper and cover these ones up. Okay, because we do not want any cheating. Okay, so now I'm ready to solve the same number sentences again, and hopefully we'll remember some of the answers from before. So I need to reset my timer, press reset on the timer, so it's at 0, and here I go again. So I started the timer off. So let's have a look. Now, again, I'm going to look through and do the ones that I know first, and I remembered that 1 plus 0 is always going to be 1 when we add 0 to something, isn't it? It's the same number. And 3 add 7, I just worked that one out, sorry, and that was 10. I'm going to put that one in, and then let's go over here. Oh, 3 plus 3, that's a double. Double 3 is 6. 5 add 5, there's our easy one. Double 5, I know that one is 10. Oh, and there's another double next to it. 2 plus 2, I know double 2 is 4. Let me have a look. I'm sure there was another double. Yes, 4 add 4. Double 4 is 8. Okay, let's see what else we've got. 2 plus 8. Oh, that was the one that I switched, wasn't it? So I put the biggest number first. So 8, 9, 10. Number 1 to 10 right there. Let's go over here. 2 plus 1, 2. If I add 1, it's just going to be 1 more. 1 more than 2 is 3. Okay, 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 4. So I've got my switches there. So I just need to quickly check 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 add 4 is 10, which must mean 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay, so I'm happy with all of those answers. I've remembered some of them and some of them I just worked out again, but was a little bit quicker. So let me see what my time is. Let's stop the timer. That time it was 1 minute 20. So I beat my score. So I'm going to write that on here. 1 minute 20 seconds that time. That was good, wasn't it? And then again, now I've got to do it one more time, see if I can beat that score. And I don't want any cheating again, so let's move the piece of paper down. And again, remember, if you don't want to do them all on the same piece, you can use different pieces of paper, or maybe a new page. If you've got an exercise book that you do your work in, you could do each one at the top of a new page and then do some other work underneath it. Okay, so let's reset the timer. So it's back to 0. And hopefully this time I will beat my score of 1 minute 20. So I'm going to start the timer. And here we go. Now this time I've remembered 4 add 6 is 10. So I'm going to put those ones in straight away. Because 4 add 6 and 6 plus 4 are switches. So they're going to be the same. And there's 5 plus 5. And I know double 5 is 10. And there's another double. 2 plus 2, double 2 is 4. And there's another double. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And I've remembered that 1 plus 0 equals 1. Because whenever we add 0 to anything, it stays the same. 3 plus 7, I'm going to quickly switch that. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully you've remembered some more of your number bonds to 10. Right, those ones are done. Let's come up to this end. 2 plus 1, so it's going to be 1 more than 2, which I know is 3. We've done lots of work on that one. 3 plus 3, another double there. Double 3, I know that is 6. But if I'd forgotten, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then my last one to solve, 2 plus 8. So again, I'm just going to switch it. 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, let's check, make sure I've solved them all. I have, and let's stop the timer. That time I got 1 minute and 9 seconds. So I beat the time again. 1 minute, 9 seconds. Oh, don't know what happened to my 9 there. Sorry, let me change that. 9. There we go. 1 minute, 9 seconds. So there we go. That is my speedy number sentences challenge for you guys to do today. So you'll notice that the number sentences that you've got are different to my number sentences, okay? Because I didn't want to give you the same ones. That would be too easy, okay? So have a look at the number sentences that you've got. Write them all down before you get started, okay, just like I did. And then ask a grown-up to time you doing the first 10 questions. See what time you get. And then have another go. See if you can beat the time. And then have another go for the third time. See what your best time is. Okay, and then just like I've done, it'd be really useful for us if you could write down how long it took you to solve the number sentences. Okay, and it doesn't matter if it takes you 5 minutes. Okay, it's about you beating your best score. Okay, so I went through them quite quickly because I've had lots and lots of practice at solving these number sentences. Okay, so my challenge for you is, can you complete 10 questions in quicker time than 3 minutes? So I want to see if you can get your number sentences solved in less than 3 minutes. Okay, hopefully you have fun with this, and I look forward to seeing your uploaded videos. Well, your uploaded photos, I suppose. Thanks.